Hi, welcome to Gene Planet. People are afraid of taking a DNA sample. Does it hurt? Does it include blood? Do you have to go to a lab?
No, absolutely not. Assessing the wealth of information locked in our DNA is simpler than you can imagine. The only thing we need from you to perform our lifestyle DNA test is a saliva sample. We isolate and analyze your DNA from it, and voila, you unlocked your DNA. Taking the sample is painless, simple, and non-invasive. You can do it in your living room without any risk, blood, or needles. Here's how it goes. When you order your DNA test, you receive a DNA sample collection kit with detailed instructions. It's as easy as filling the collection tube with saliva. After that, the only thing left is to ship the sample to our lab and your work is done. Piece of cake, right? The hardest part of the DNA test is actually waiting for your results.
People don't want to know which diseases can affect them in the future. Why would they do a DNA test then?
There are different DNA tests. Some look at diseases, others determine parentage, even solves crimes. But our My Lifestyle DNA test shine a light on your genetic predisposition for lifestyle traits, covering all key areas for everyday life: nutrition, sports, and mental well-being. You can learn more about your predisposed food intolerances, skin hydration, weight management, athletic traits, stress response, and much more. Knowing your genetic predispositions can help you direct your attention to where it can do the most good. Personalized recommendations that you get with your DNA test results help you reach your goals, like losing weight, managing stress, boosting sports performance for long-term health and longevity.
People don't want their most private and often sensitive information to be on display to others. How can you assure that they are not placing their valuable genetic information in the wrong hands?
Your DNA results are only for you, accessible through our secure online platform or mobile app with your unique username and password. Make sure no one gets access to those and your results are safe. Our DNA analyses are performed according to the highest professional standards, focusing on laboratory and data security standards. We adhere to both national and European legislation regarding the protection of your personal information, including GDPR and ISO 27001. All shipments are traceable and personal data is stored in controlled electronic safes located in controlled facilities. They're accessible only by authorized persons. During the analysis, your DNA sample is marked with a unique code and not with your name. This way, you cannot be recognized or identified. Your lifestyle DNA test results don't require any medical interpretation. They are presented clearly and understandably based on reliable scientific data and general health guidelines. There is no need to consult a doctor about your results. But you can show them to your MD if you wish. It can help them create tailored preventive advice to keep you healthy.